In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can prevent fraud and chargebacks for online payment using Airwallex. If you're running an online business, you need to know the tools to keep your business safe. As more payments move online, fraud attempts have grown in scale and sophistication. From card testing and e-skimming to account takeovers, bad actors target busy checkouts and use tactics that drain revenue and create chargebacks. When left unchecked, you would face direct losses, higher operational costs, and a hit to customer trust. The good news is that modern fraud controls can protect your business and your buyers without adding heavy friction. Here is how online payment fraud detection works and the steps that you can put in place today. Fraud detection identifies and prevents fraudulent transactions in digital payments using tools such as AI and machine learning. It also uses two-factor authentication and biometric checks. The goal is to keep transactions legitimate and secure, reduce financial loss, and maintain trust. Fraud leads to losses, chargeback fees on top of that, and replacement costs, and it strains support teams. Repeated incidents damage reputation and can drive your customers away. So here are some common fraud types and how you can mitigate them. Starting with chargeback fraud. Disputes on legitimate purchases cause losses and fees. You can prevent with clear return, refund, and shipping policies, tracking and proof of delivery, prompt customer communication, strong processor controls, and by challenging illegitimate chargebacks. Second is card testing. Small test charges to confirm stolen cards. You can prevent with the CAPTCHAs, rate limits, and alerts on low-value bursts. Check out attempt limits per card or IP, 3D secure, and strong processor rules. We also have skimming and e-skimming. Stolen payment information from skimming devices or injected scripts. You can prevent with PCI DSS compliant gateways, AVS and CVV checks. Robust cybersecurity and script controls, fraud software, and offer contactless methods. Fourth, we've got authorized push payment fraud. Impersonation scams that trick victims into sending money. You can reduce this risk by warning customers as soon as you find out that your brand is being impersonated, training your teams, verifying payee identity, and treating urgent payment changes with caution. There is also account takeover with stolen credentials like bank account details used for unauthorized purchases. You can use MFA, watch-filled logins and unusual IPs, device fingerprinting, monitor resets, and lock compromised accounts. Finally, we have card not present fraud. Stolen card details used online. You can protect these with firewalls, CVV and AVS, behavior monitoring for unusual activity, fraud filters, and 3D secure. Here are some best practices to prevent online payment fraud. The first one is to use advanced fraud detection, as machine learning models analyze patterns in real time and improve accuracy as they learn. The second best practice is to enable 3D secure where the risk is high. You can request an OTP or one-time password or biometric when conditions warrant, keeping checkout smooth for trusted traffic. You should also adopt risk-based authentication, as you can score each transaction by device, location, amount, and history, and then step up only when needed. Ensure compliance, as you can follow the PCI standards and regional rules such as the PSD3 in the EU or applicable local laws. And finally, to continuously monitor and improve. Update software, train staff, track fraud trends, and refine rules to balance approval rates and protection. Now, if you ever suspect fraud, you want to flag the transaction with your provider, contact the customer to confirm, report verified fraud immediately, and follow all required regulations. Airwallex's global payment solutions use machine learning-powered fraud detection systems to improve the security of your online payments. By analyzing transaction patterns in real time, their fraud prevention engine efficiently identifies and blocks suspicious activity. This proactive approach not only helps safeguard your business from fraud, but also creates a more reliable payment experience for your customers, driving loyalty and online sales. If you want an online payments platform that fights fraud so you don't have to, go ahead and check out Airwallex and take control of your business security today. And the best part is that you can go ahead to the link in the description below this video, get started for free, and only upgrade your plan as your business needs grow. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions related on the topic, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos relating to this one.